A very good evening to our viewers at home. I hope everyone is well and we are all ready for today's program. Welcome once again to our insurance group. This is our, I've lost count, I think it's our 9th episode. We are still going on strong, bringing you nothing but the information that you request for and the information that we believe you need. Today it's a new season, it's spring, we are bringing you amazing news as our clients. We believe we are as excited as we are. I am not alone. I am with Mr. Love Mokundani and Ms. Lumile Ngwenya. But before I just introduce them formally, just to remind you that as United Holdings, we are still saying Sinawe Indlela Yonke. Through everything that you are going through in Empilweni, we are trying by all means to have an insurance or financial solution to that problem that you might be facing. We have 4 subsidiary companies that are doing all we can do to make sure that you have the solutions that you need. We have insurance solutions from United General Insurance, where we are saying protect the things that mean the most to you, the things that you know very well that should they be damaged or should they be lost, you will suffer a financial burden or have a financial burden. We have also legal insurance under United General Insurance, where we are saying, do not stress about legal matters because we have a group of financial or professional lawyers that are there to assist you with legal problems that you may be facing. We have United Health Insurance. United Health Insurance says, we want you to have access to the best healthcare in Eswatini so that your family may not suffer should they need emergency healthcare or should they just need quality healthcare. United Health Insurance is there to assist you. We also have United Pay. United Pay says mid-month crisis should be a thing of the past because we have the right loan services for you to finance your emergency expenses. Today we are with United Life Assurance. We are bringing you solutions to help you make sure that your family can afford a dignified funeral and are able to be taken care of even after the breadwinner or whoever that is supporting the family is gone. So definitely United Holdings is with you all the way. So there's now Indlela Yonke. I think I've already laid down my introduction. Mr. Lovemo, welcome back, sir. How are you doing today?
Good evening, Ngozi. How are you? I'm very fine, and I'm very excited to be back again on the show. Such a privilege, to be part of such a vibrant show. I follow you all the way. I told you the last time, and I meant it.
I know very well you are always watching the program, Mr. Kundani, and we really, really do appreciate it. Even if you are not part of the program, you are always there. Miss Ngwenya, welcome. How are you?
I'm good, and how are you, Miss Dlamini?
Askuva, Miss Ngwenya, please increase your volume.
I have increased the volume, Ms. Dlamini. I'm good. And how are you, madam?
Miss Ngwenya, welcome to the insurance group. Even this week, Miss Ngwenya is our group sales manager. She looks after our branches. She also looks after our sales team. The people that go an extra mile to make sure that you are well taken care of. Mr. Love Mokundani, I know you already know him. He's our operations manager under United Life Assurance. Let's get straight to the program that we have today. I know, Mr. Kundani, you are very excited to tell us about your news, your good news. But let me start with Miss Ngwenya. Ms. Ngwenya, today we are talking about the importance of upgrading and having the right cover for funeral. I know we have quite a number of Emma clients that have been with us for a very long time. And the labanye babo bavula police abo like 2006, 2005, and about 2010. But about 10,000. It's all about 10,000. We want to know from your side. Busi bamba ngingmake ekhaya ngavula insurance ya 10,000. Angiva ngasisese kahle. What is really the importance of upgrading in funeral cover yam? Please remember to unmute your mic, Ms. Ngwenya. Ms. Ngwenya. But in any case, Mr. Kundani, what is the importance of upgrading our insurance policies to a higher cover?
Thank you, Nkosi. Indeed, that is true. You know, I know we have got our clients who are very loyal to us, you know, and it has been quite a journey. They joined the Kanban and they've been with the Kanban as our valued customers from as far back as 2006, like you have put it across. But then I think when we look at today's world now, things are changing and prices are also going up, and funerals in general are also now becoming expensive to conduct. So you'll find that when you took up a cover, maybe in 2006, it was okay, it was enough to help you with the funeral arrangements and be able to give a loved one a dignified send off. But when you look at things today, it's becoming expensive. So you'll find that in as much as you have a 10,000 cover, it's not going to be enough to give you that that quality send off that you want to give to your loved one. So it is very important that, you know, you also upgrade your policy and get a higher cover that can help you keep up with the growing expenses of today's world. And you know, it's unfortunate that, you know, some of these things, they become practical after you have experienced a loss, and by then it will be too late. So while you still can, please take advantage of these opportunities and upgrade your policy and make sure that you are covered and your loved ones are covered well, you know, should the unfortunate event come to you.
Thank you, Mr. Kundani. Definitely, it's important to make sure we have everything covered. It's usually unfortunate, as you have said, that sometimes we realize when it's a bit too late that I should have, and at that time there's nothing that is going to help us to actually salvage the situation, which is why as United Life Assurance we are saying, contact us. We are going to advise you accordingly. We'll see this is the right cover and everything. Speaking of the right cover, Ms. Ngwenya, how do I choose to see this is the right cover I can upgrade to, or this is the right cover that will meet my expenses? When I've made my decision to upgrade my cover.
Thank you very much, Nkosi, for the question. I think I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, Nkosi. We really emphasize about choosing the correct cover by looking at, if we look at the current funeral expenses, they've gone up really. So now we are saying clients must be wise enough to choose the correct level of cover in such a way that when one passes on, they are not going to borrow elsewhere. We want the policy to serve its purpose by taking care of all the funeral expenses.
Thank you. It's really important. So we'll see. 10,000 what we are trying to as United Life Assurance is say, make sure, as Ms. Ngwenya has said, make sure we see what you are the cover that we have opened will meet all your expenses. As we continue with the show, let me encourage you to write your comments or your questions on the comment section below as we are live on Facebook. And thank you to those that have joined us even on Zoom. Write your comments below. We'll try to address them as they come through. If we are not able to address them, but as they come through, we'll make sure by the end of the program, we have addressed them. If you have any question about funeral insurance or upgrading your funeral insurance, do post your questions below. Do share, of course, the video. You can click share to your group, share to your friends, share to everyone. Click share and share. There's also a button when you join. You can click that for notifications for the next time we are going live. Of course, we are live every Thursday. Continuing with our program, Miss Ngwen, we are talking about a upgrader. So I have chosen the right cover, and yes, I need to upgrade my 10,000 cover to a 50,000 cover. My question, my next question would be, what is the waiting period after upgrading? Because we are aware we see a 6 months waiting period, a 3 months waiting period, a 12 months waiting period now for the police. What happens after I've upgraded? Do I go through a waiting period or ngoba bosolo velula ulaga United Life Assurance to coverage?
Okay. If you upgrade your policy, you still have to wait a 6 months waiting period, or depending on the level of cover you are in, or then it means you have to wait 6 months for all other policies, and if it's senior citizen, it's 12 months. But specifically for this upgrade campaign, it's a 6 months waiting period, because those who qualifies are the person who have cover above 10,000. It means from 20,000 up, then they can upgrade. Those clients have a 6 months waiting period. So we are saying, if you upgrade your policy, for the upgraded cover or for the new cover, you'll still wait a 6 months, but you will not forfeit the benefit that you had with us on your old policy.
Okay, meaning if I was on a 20,000 cover upgrading to the 30,000 cover, within the 6 months, in that is so long covered with the 20,000 cover.
Yes, you'll still be covered with the 20,000 cover. Once you finish the waiting period, now you will then start enjoying the full benefit, the full cover.
All right. What do I need to upgrade? What do I have to do to upgrade? If I've made a decision to upgrade, what do I need to do?
Okay, when you upgrade, it is important to document it. Give us a letter in writing that you want to upgrade your policy, or you can come to our office, because remember, you can upgrade anywhere in Swaziland. When you want to remotely, it's done. You can send us an email, or you can WhatsApp us to tell us that you want to upgrade your policy from this cover to this cover. Then you can also confirm the signature that is on that document, if it's still if it's still the signature of the one who opened the policy at inception of the policy.
All right, thank you, Ms. Ngwenya. I think one last question before I move to Mr. Kundani. We have spoken about the senior citizen cover. We they have a maximum of 10,000, and that's people that are above 65. If I remember very well. So if we have a policy, I mean the family cover, and then now I've reached 65, the family cover I'm paying 20,000. Am I able to upgrade to 30,000 yet I'm now above 65?
Okay, with the risk that comes with the age, one cannot upgrade a cover when he or she has already reached the age of 65. So it means that person will remain in that level of cover where he or she is in.
Okay, even if my children and my wife are below 65, then we cannot only upgrade.
As in, we are talking about the principal member or the policy holder here. If the policy holder
is above 65.
Yes, the policy holder will not be able to upgrade. The policyholder will maintain the policy that he or she has with us.
Okay, thank you so much. Moving on to the good news of the day. It's a new season. We are having a new product. benefit, Mr. Kundani. Can you have the good news? I do not want to, to give it away. Can you have the good news from your side about the new products?
Thank you so much, Ngos. Yes, indeed, it's a new season and we come bearing good news and gifts and a lot of good things, to give to our clients. We are saying it's a new season. Please just make sure that you do something new to your cover, upgrade your cover, and be at least 20,000, a cover. And then when you do that, you are unlocking a world of unlimited benefits. So we are encouraging our clients and we are saying, if you have got a cover that is below 20,000, what are you waiting for? Just go in there. Ms. Ngwenya has already alluded how you can upgrade. You can upgrade on social media. You can upgrade by coming to our offices. But remember, we are encouraging our clients to try and keep safe. So if you choose to visit our offices, make sure you protect yourself and you protect your loved one. If you are in the comfort of your home, you can still be able to upgrade. When you upgrade your cover to 20,000 or more, you then unlock a world of unlimited benefit. We have got a new excitement and a new product that we are launching today that we are making available to our clients. We say if you upgrade to 20,000 or more, you unlock a 10,000 benefit at an additional cost of 20 Malangen. Just 20 Malangen, you get yourself an additional benefit of 10,000 that you can use as you wish to buy groceries or to buy a car, and help you with the funeral expenses. And I know, as I was speaking about this initiative, Simbio being a good person, and I know you don't want to be left behind, you also added on top of this good news and put in a lot of other prizes to be won by those people that choose to participate in this upgrade. So my challenge to you is, please listen through the show. We are going to be taking you through how you upgrade and you unlock these unlimited benefits and how you qualify for these benefits. It's going to be a very interesting show today, Cindy.
Thank you, Mr. Kundani. You are still keeping the cat in the bag. You're talking about benefits. You want to know about the benefits. I am aware the benefits that you're talking about where I add 20 Malangeni. What are the benefits that I'm getting when I pay that extra 20 Malangeni?
Okay, Simpio. So we've got a benefit that we are giving to our clients. I want our clients to wait, Simpio. Good things come to those that wait. I want them to follow through the show.
They are impatient.
Okay, we've got this benefit that we are calling a car or grocery benefit, which is a benefit valued at 10,000. So we are saying to all our valued clients who choose to upgrade their covers to a cover of at least 20,000, you unlock the possibility of you just adding an extra 20 Malangen, and then you get yourself a benefit of 10,000 that you can use towards purchasing of a car or purchasing of grocery vouchers at a shop of your choice.
Oh, that's wonderful. Meaning I am now going to be able to go buy a cow and eat meat and also a grocery. That's wonderful news, Mr. Kundani. I hope our clients and our viewers are actually excited as I am, that over and above the cover that I already have, I can actually access additional benefits, including which are up to the value of 10,000 Malangeni. That's really wonderful. Before we move on with the show, we have Makeba Mazibuko on Facebook, who is posing a question. Giving this one to Miss Ngwenya. Uthi Babema Mazibuko again. Say I upgraded the policy from 20,000 to 50,000, and the waiting period is 6 months. Will I be paying premiums for the 20,000 cover or for the 50,000 cover within those 6 months? Ubadala malini la those 6 months babe mazibuko asamele ukuthi aphele to kick in the new cover. Ms. Ngwenya.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Lamini. If a client upgrades from the lower level of cover to a high level of cover, the client will start immediately start paying for the new level of cover. The client will not pay for the old policy because now we have shifted, we have transferred the old policy to the new policy. So now the premiums of the new policy shall apply. The waiting period again of the new policy shall apply, just that the client will not forfeit the benefits of the 10 of the previous cover, if I can put it that way. It means, for instance, if the client shifts to a 50,000 cover family, the premium is 275, and the client is coming from maybe a 20,000 cover, which is 110. It means the client will start immediately to pay the 275 and not the 110.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Ngwenya. I hope Babe Mazibuko upemvulekile, Babe. If you are not answered, you can continue to post a question there. To our viewers at home, you can post any question that you want answered on the show, so that we can attend to it. Mr. Mazibuko, I hope you're answered. Babe Kundani, let's continue with our good news. The good news are always appreciated. My question would be, let me read the question and not interpret it, because interpretation sometimes you get to lose the meaning or the gist of the message. Is the additional 10,000 benefit automatically added to my monthly premiums, or must I pay it separate?
Okay, thank you for that question. Remember, Tina, we are here for the people. So what that means is, if you upgrade your cover and you are now at 20,000 or you are now at 30,000, we still give you that option to say you have got a choice to say, no, I don't want this additional benefit, but why would you not want it? And then I know the obvious choice is you are going to choose the benefit. But what I want to emphasize on is the choice is still yours as our client. You can choose to say, yes, I'm now at 20,000 and I'm taking this benefit. And then paying on it, we do not impose on you saying, just because you've upgraded to 20,000, now you are supposed to pay for the additional benefit. No, it is still your choice to say, I have upgraded to 20,000, because 20,000 premium for a family cover is only 110. And then you say, it is you that says to us, I now want to pay 110 plus 20, which is 130. And then unlock my benefit and exercise my right, to get that extra benefit of 10,000 to buy my car or to buy my grocery.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kundani. Let me hop over to Facebook, where we have a question from Van Vigile M. Lamini. Mr. Lamini is asking, does the add-on 20 Emalangeni grocery benefit apply to senior citizens, i.e. those that are above 65? Mr. Kundani.
Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, unfortunately, as we are launching this benefit, we are launching it in stages. For now, this 10,000 is specifically for those that are still below 65. So if you are a senior cover, this benefit does not apply to you. Remember, our senior covers, their limit is 10,000, and Langwenya has put it across very well that this cover is now available to those people that are on covers of 20,000 and above. So in short, the 10,000, the senior covers for now, they are not qualifying for this benefit.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Kundani. We have another question where if my cover is 50,000, 20,000 extra benefits are 20,000. Can I be able to take up the 20,000 extra, 10,000 extra benefits ngifake lo 20 rand wami ngina 50,000 cover.
Yes, because that is true. So the way that we have made this benefit is we have made it available to all our clients that are on 20,000 covers and above. So what it means is if you already have got a 50,000 cover, you can just contact us using those various means of communication on our social media, on email, and say, hey, I can't wait. I want to activate this benefit now. Can you please just activate this benefit and we can give it to you right away.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful, Mr. Kundani. Labule cover, who really gets the 20,000? Is it everyone in the cover or just the policy holder? Nangne family cover, is everyone getting the extra 10,000 benefits for groceries and cow?
Okay, thank you so much, because that is a very good question. So, you know, when we first wanted to launch it, we wanted it just to launch it for the main member only. So we said, just because it's very cheap, I mean, 20 Malangan and you get 10,000, we had said it is just applying to main member. But when we did that, then our clients that we were just trying to run across, they told us, come on, you can't just discriminate me because I am a spouse, you know, I want it too. So we have heard their call and we said, no, what? We are making it available to everyone. You can get it as the main member if you have got a cover, if you have got a family cover, so you can add the 20 Malangin and then you get it for yourself as I know ladies these days are taking the lead. So you are the lady, you get it. You are the main police order, you get it at 20 Malangin, and then you say, you know what, I don't want to leave my husband behind. I'm paying an extra 20 Malangin again for my husband because I want my husband to also get that extra benefit, and you can get it. So in short, this benefit is available for both the main member and the spouse, but each person is just to come in at an additional 20 Malangin, and they can unlock and exercise the cover.
Thank you, Mr. Kundani. At least we can all have access to the grocery benefit. You know, it doesn't feel good to be in a position where people have come through ekhaya kutosilela or kutosibambisa kulo msebenzi, and we find ourselves not having enough food to feed everyone, or not having enough having enough to actually accommodate all the needs listed now, which is why we are here today to say, spring into a new era in your life and level up your policy and enjoy the benefits that are coming out, Mr. Kundani Lana. We appreciate those that are interacting with us on Facebook. Do post your comments or your questions on the comment section below. Of course, even after the program, you can contact us. We have a contact center that is available to help you or to assist you with any questions that you may have. Ms. Ngwenya will give us the contacts just before we close the show. Mr. Kundani, let's move on to the next question. Is this a temporary benefit? If you upgrade between this and this time and this time, then you can access the benefit, or it's a lifetime arrangement?
Thank you, Ngos, for that question. I mean, it's painful to answer that question. What are you still waiting for? Why do you want to wait any longer? I thought you were going to ask, but when can we start applying for this benefit? Because we want our clients to get this access to this benefit as soon as possible. You know, from now you can contact us and get and unlock this benefit and enjoy it. I know, you know, you probably were going to say it later because you've got other gifts that you want to give to the first, you know, to the early bird that come in and get the benefit. So my challenge to you is, it pains me to answer that question, Ngozi, but I just want to say, get this cover today, unlock it today, Ngozi. We can't afford to wait any longer. There is a lot to get from just getting it as soon as you can. So get the cover today, upgrade the cover, unlock the benefit. Don't wait, once you start saying this one is available for longer, you start procrastinating and say, I'll upgrade next month. And by that, you are missing on a lot. So just upgrade now. 20 Emalangen, we can afford to do this.
Yeah, tomorrow never comes. Mr. Kundani, tomorrow never comes. So definitely do send your emails. Now, you want to upgrade your cover or you want the extra 20,000 cover, do get into your email. No more WhatsApp. WhatsApp like Kwami, the benefits, Mr. Kundani, I'm watching the show. And it's interesting that you guys are offering the labor benefits. So I want to find out to see now the policy at 20,000 or 50,000. Do I get access to the extra benefits?
That's true. Okay, so we are not discriminating between our clients. We are saying, even if you didn't have a cover with us before and you hear this good news today and you say, what have I been waiting for? I've been missing on a lot. Let me jump onto this United train. Yes, if you come up today and you take up a 50,000 cover, you then automatically qualify. You have automatically unlocked the benefits. So you can then just add your extra 20 Malangen and then you get to enjoy this extra benefit. So for all our prospective clients out there, please just make your entry level at least 20 Malangen, and then you know that you've already become a new client who is entering into a world of unlimited benefits, and you get to enjoy all these benefits with us.
That's wonderful, Mr. Kundani. We have Banda Queen on Facebook. Usimajege, just what I needed to know. We are excited to have you watching and get benefiting from the program, Banda. You are hoping we'll continue to watch the show. Definitely, guys. We have exciting competition that we run on a weekly basis, where we are encouraging you to watch the show so that you can get the answers to the questions that we are asking. Let me just as it's a new season, and let me just congratulate our winner from last week, from last week's competition, Miss or Mrs. Jabu, I'm not sure, Mrs. Jabu Aisu, who actually answered correctly our question. Last week we had United General Insurance, where they were telling us more about the insurance products that you can consider for your business. So Miss or Mrs. Jabu, I'm not quite sure yet, was able to answer the question that we had correctly. So congratulations, Miss Jabu. Will be definitely contacting you so that you can come for your prize, being the lucky winner from last week's program. Mr. Lovemore, this is evidence that we are always happy to give away money. We are always happy to give away. Christmas is every day at United Holdings. Jehovah Namdla, you are telling us about the new benefits where we are able to get e-grocery benefit or e-cow benefit, whichever that you choose. It's up to you. Ufuna inkomo noma ufuna i-grocery. Ngaze yakhumbula leya competition lebedlala eRadioweni nabasokufuna imali noma libhokisi, but ke asikho ngalapho namuhla. We are talking about United Life Assurance bringing you extra benefits when you upgrade your policy to a 20,000 cover or above. We have 20,000 cover, we have 30,000 cover, 40,000 cover, and 50,000 cover. You are able to get an extra benefit of 10,000 emalangeni for grocery or inkomo to help you see when the time comes. You are able to meet all the needs that you're going to face during that time of grief. We are here as United Life Assurance saying in our Indlela Yonke, whatever that you are facing, we are with you through our different range of products. Let's move on, Mr. Kundani. We have another question. Uti Lona, I have a benefit. Gamakhelwane wao. Yeah, 30,000 funeral. There is the notion you see maximum cover that you can get is 50,000. And ngiyabona also United Life Assurance is offering this wonderful benefits that you have mentioned. Can I be able to come through to United Holdings and open another 30,000 cover and get and unlock the benefits of grocery, or vele funang 20,000 metal of 50,000?
Okay, thank you, Nkosi. So to answer that question, so short and straight to the point is, Tina, as the United Life Assurance, we are regulated to give each person a cover up to the maximum of 50,000. That applies to our covers. So if you have got another cover at Nkosi, insurances, that is according to you and them, Tina, Asingen, we are interested in the cover that you have. So what we will tell you is, why not just open a 20,000 cover with us, and then you automatically qualify for the additional benefit of a car.
Thank you, Mr. Kundani. The 50,000 only applies Nanglaga United Life Assurance. No manga beng na 30,000 iga Nkosi insurance agencies. I'm singing and getting over 50,000 Nanglaga United Life Assurance.
That is true, Nkosi. That is true.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
I stand to clear it. We want to talk about our home here, and we make sure that we take care of you and we give you the maximum benefit that you can get.
That's wonderful. There's a burning question in someone's mind. Do you give me the 10,000 cash? No one very simply way na income. No one is high night cross as simple. Do you give me the cash or you give me the actual benefit?
Okay, thank you so much. We give you cash, Ngos. We give you the 10,000 as a cash payout, and then you choose where you want to buy your car or where you want to buy your grocery. So we are giving our clients, on top of giving them this great cover, we are giving them again, access to choice to say, you know what, just give me my money. I want to make it rain at this shop. I want to make it rain at my neighbor's crow, and then I get my car. So Tina is United Life Assurance. We just give you your cash benefit of 10,000, and then you go and you choose on how you want to spend it.
Thank you, Mr. Kundani. Ms. Ngwen, there's a question for you. So I'm going to ban. So I'm going. Ni tanikolela abalaleli emakhaya ngazi Swati sifesi singekasi ngetaxi. So I'm going to ban, Ms. Ngwen. Akafuni ukusifundisa Ms. Ngwen. Question
Ngwenyamabuya Nkosi.
Bengakalahleki. Ms. Ngwen, question lesinayo leta lapho ngakuwe ithi what happens ngingisimpiwe ngifuna ku-upgrade ngisebenzela uhulumeni. There is the 33% statutory ukuthi angikhoni ukuthatha ukudidacta more than 33% emholweni wami. Niyayena kanjani-ke nangabe sekwendekile here I want to upgrade le mali yami ye-upgrade seyisuke seyangale kwa 33%. What really happens then?
Okay, thank you, Nkosi. If the client has already reached the 33% threshold, yet the client wants to upgrade, obviously it's now locked. We cannot edit from the CEDAS file or from the government side. It means now we have to advise a client to change the payment method, because we have different payment methods. The client can either choose to pay through debit order or through mobile money or EFT, whichever is convenient for the client.
Thank you, Ms. Ngwenya. Kusikhumbuta nje Ms. Ngwenya njengemthengisi lomkhulu ngafaneni. Can you please run us through lama options list now for the benefits? I am considering upgrading, so I want to know what are the different options that I have for upgrading my policy if near.
Okay, I'm not sure if I hear you correctly about the options that you're talking about the levels of cover or about the options.
Definitely the level of covers, Ms. Ngwenya. There's an individual ohlele ekhaya ngisimpiwe ubukela TV yakhe when you are I have a 10,000 cover. What other options do I have? There's also Mage Dlamini lekhaya naye. I think naye so 10,000 cover le 2006. How do I upgrade? What other options do I have? Cover 50,000. So can you run us through what are the options of upgrading and lama types of covers like United Life Assurance?
Okay, thank you very much, Kosi. I'll start with the family funeral plan, which covers the main member, the spouse, and 6 dependents. It means now, since we're talking about this upgrade that we are launching, I'll start from the 20,000 cover. For a family cover, it's 110 emalangeni per month. For a 30,000, it's 165 emalangeni per month. 40,000 is 220. 50,000 cover is 275 a month. So those are the covers that we have under a family plan. Then we have individual covers, whereby individual, it covers only the principal member, no dependents, no spouses that are covered under this plan. It means now I also start under the 20,000 cover. The client can pay 47 emalangeni per month. Under the 30,000 cover, it's 70 emalangeni per month. 40,000 cover is 93 emalangeni per month. Then the 50,000 cover is 160 emalangeni per month. Those are the levels of covers that we have, of course. The eligibility, I'm not sure if I can also clarify that one, is for people that are between the age of 18 to 54 under the individual covers. Yet on the family funeral covers, it's from 18 to 65 years.
Thank you, Ms. Ngwenya. I hope balaleli bavile emakhaya ukuthi the different types of covers they can upgrade to or can open, because we do know that later. So if you are interested in opening a funeral insurance plan, we are here to assist you to make sure that you get you assure a dignified funeral for yourself or your family members. We have MA plans ranging from individual funeral plans to family funeral plans. We also have senior citizen funeral plans, as Ms. Ngwenya has highlighted right now. Ms. Sekundali, a quick question, Pat. I know you've talked about the 20,000 cover as a benefit that you have access to. We know there are other benefits beside that. As a United Life Assurance client, what other benefits do I have access to just by having a policy with you? Or I'm just getting 10,000.
Thank you so much, Ngozi. As our customer for United Life Assurance, on top of getting all those benefits that Ms. Ngwenya was speaking about, those affordable rates, I was saying to myself, wow, it's that easy and that cheap to get a funeral cover. If you are still young like me, you are 18, you can get yourself a 50,000 cover at just 116 emalangeni. Then what are you waiting for? That is too much of a benefit. But then we are saying on top of that, we are giving you other choices, to enjoy as our clients. We have got a good relationship with our other sister companies, in the industry. We work so very closely with Dukes Funeral Home. So we have negotiated with them and to say for all our United Life Assurance customers, they can get a discount when they go and choose the final house for their a loved one, to give them a dignified send off. So they get a 5% discount when they buy a coffin or a casket. Is it called a casket now? Yeah, when they buy a casket from a Duke's Funeral Home, and then they also get to enjoy a 14 days of free storage at Duke's Funeral Home for their deceased member. And above, on top of that, our customers also get to enjoy a free collection of the deceased from anywhere within the borders of Eswatini. So all those additional benefits, you can enjoy them at extra cost of zero, and you get to keep your 20,000 Emalangeni plus the 10,000 that you have chosen to upgrade, you have chosen to unlock and exercise your rights on.
Wow, that's wonderful. You do not just get your sum assured Ga United Life Assurance, you also get additional benefits just for being a member of Ga United Life Assurance. You are getting more for your money. Mr. Kundani has just let us in on the extra benefits that you get. Should you choose to use Duke's Funeral Home for your services, for your funeral services? Mr. Kundana, what happens if I choose to just take the money in Hambeng, Simphiwe Funeral Palace? Do I still get access to Lama benefits that you just mentioned?
Okay, thank you, Nkos. So these benefits, you get to enjoy them if you choose to use these services from Duke's Funeral Home. But again, remember, we are all about empowering our clients. We are not confining our clients to say, once you take a funeral cover with United Life, then you are forced to use the services of Duke's Funeral Home. You still have got that choice to say, I'm outsourcing my services anyway. So in that case, what it means then is, you just get your monetary value to the sum assured. That is your 50,000 plus your 10,000 additional benefit for grocery and the cow, and then you get to spend that amount at your service provider of your choice. But I mean, it is still up to you, to say, I want to fulfill all these other benefits, and I want just to go somewhere and acquire my services. So now we do not force you, neither do we have that say on how you choose then to spend your benefit. That is all up to you.
Thank you, Mr. Kundani, for that. That's wonderful to know. Sesitovala. Miss Ngweni, ngicela usizame kusisihle abadlozi about the different branches that we can visit, and the other alternative means communicate on United Holdings should I want to upgrade my policy.
Okay, thank you, Nkosi. We have different branches across the country. In Manzini, we have two. We have the headquarters at the Dukes Mall, and we have the Manzini 1 branch next to the marketplace, next to Clear Out, where the old Dukes used to be. Then we have a branch in Matapa. We have a branch in Ezulwini. We have a branch in Baban. We have a branch in Pittsburgh. We have a branch in Hlangano. We have a branch in Matata. We have a branch in Sitegi. We have another one in Simonye, and we have a branch at Buhleni. So it means we have a wide branch network indeed, Ms. Lameni. When a client wants to call us, the client can call us at and our landline is 508-6000, and the client can also WhatsApp us. And the number is 7808-5080. The toll-free line, we also have it. It's run by the call center. It's 800-1010. The call center consultants are always ready to receive incoming calls.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ngwenya. We have a total of 11 branches across the country, and we are looking into expanding. But of course, we do understand by COVID. Not everyone is able to. It's not safe to just leave the comforts of your home and go to our branches. Transport because of the exposure that you are the exposure to COVID. So we are saying we want you to stay safe. You can email us on info@united.co.za, info@united.co.za. We'll be able to assist you with whatever query that you may have, or we'll be able to assist you upgrade to a higher cover. City level up. Levels. It's springtime. Everything is renewing. Let's renew your cover. Now we level up. Even if that's a what we are still welcoming you to say, come to United Holdings. Come to United Life Assurance. We are here to assist you. We're also there on WhatsApp. Ms. Ngwenya has already mentioned the number, but it's actually even next to me. You can WhatsApp our line and on 7828-8050. We'll be able to assist you. You can also call our landline 2508-6000, or call our toll-free line. Let's see 7. Apologies. It's 800-1010. 800-1010. You can be able to talk as long as you want, just like I love talking. You can talk as long as you want for free. You are not going to pay even a cent. We are here to assist you. We want you to make sure you have the right information. You do not get to hear from makhelwane ukuthi uthinte makhelwane awusisi ngoba wagcina kade nibhadala seyivele sovele udlula insurance noma seyivele iphelile nje inzaba yakho policy, but you can get the facts from United Holdings without the speculations. Sesivala ke Mr. Lovemore, we still have questions langenako ga WhatsApp. We have Mr. Daniel Ngalanga, Yewo champion Lelihle. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Ngalanga. There is a question that is on Facebook, Mr. Kundani. You have a wide range of funeral-related products. It's not just funeral products. You have a home link, you have a tribute, you have a family support, and all these other products. The question is, the extra 10,000 benefit, does it apply to all your products or just the specifically the funeral?
Thank you, Nkosi. Thank you so much, Babin Kalanga, for your question. So this 10,000 additional benefit is available to all our funeral products from the covers of 20,000 and above. So yes, those homelink covers, they also can benefit from this one. It's just unfortunate that the other covers of benefits that we offer, like the homelink, the family support, which is also an add-on to the funeral cover. By the way, we never spoken about the family support today, is it? Which is also another giveaway that we have for our clients. We say a family support is an additional benefit that you get on top of your funeral cover. And then you say, I'm the breadwinner. Should I pass on? I still want my family to be able to buy bread when I'm gone. So that family support allows your family to be able to adjust to losing you when you are gone by paying out equal installments for a period of 6 months. I'll give you an example. If you take up the family support of 30,000, what it means is for the next 6 months, your family is going to be getting a 5,000 from United Life Assurance, just to assist them to be able to get on with life. So this additional benefit that we have spoken about today, which is an additional benefit of 10,000, that is unlocked when you get a cover of 20,000. or more. It applies if you have got a cover of 20,000 or more on our funeral covers, which is the individual covers is spoken about by Langwenya, and the family covers and the homeling covers. So those covers, they make you qualify for this additional benefit if your cover is above 20,000. And then these other additional benefits, those are our add on to our clients just because we can. I feel like giving out a lot of other benefits, I feel like, you have something that you are going to be giving away to our clients. So please, I just feel like encouraging someone today could upgrade your cover, get this benefit. As I've spoken in the opening, you're unlocking a world of unlimited benefits. I know there is a lot of other benefits that you're going to be enjoying as you upgrade and unlock this cover. We'll be giving all this to you bit by bit so that we don't confuse you. We don't want you to then say, I'm going to upgrade. I mean, it's too much for me. I can't take it. We want to give you all these benefits one at a time. So for now, just make sure your funeral cover is upgraded and you can unlock this world of unlimited benefits. In closing, I know I talk a lot because I have got our clients at heart. I know in this COVID era, we are encouraging our clients to try and keep safe. We have got many other payment methods for your premiums. Please, 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 please. I know you've got a good intention when you take up your cover. Just also make sure that your premiums are up to date. You can pay your premiums even from the comfort of your home through EFT. You can just take your phone and you would say, I pay 100 Malang into United Life Assurance and your premium is paid. Or you can use other payment methods like Momo Pay and Imali. You can also use those ones and you can pay to us. Or you say, you know what, because I'm a busy person, I know I can forget. I want to give United Life Assurance the right to be able to get the money at the end of the month or on the 19th of the month or on the 24th of the month. It's up to you. We have got that facility again under our debit order payment method. So all these payment methods, they're all there to make sure that your policy is up to date all the time. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, Mr. Udali. And it's wonderful to know, we have the option of paying our premiums because we have issues of COVID-19 that are prevailing these days. We want to make sure that our customers stay safe. Ms. Ngwenya, your last words, madam, before we close, to encourage my clients to upgrade to higher covers.
Okay, thank you very much, Nkosi. It was really good to be part of the scope and give more information to our clients about upgrading policies and sharing about our products, other products that we are offering. I would like to encourage our clients to really look into this and upgrade their policies to higher levels of covers so that they get a dignified funeral. Sinaye umlaleli indlela yonke.
Siyabonga kakhulu Ms. Ngwenya. Emlaleli sotivele kakhulu sotivele kahle kusisi United Life Assurance siyasho sisi isinawe indlela yonke njengoba Ms. Ngwenya sekashito. We want to make sure that your families actually get a dignified funeral. Singadiphanzise siyabomashonisa to get to phesha lapha kusise kushoda mhlambe umshibo noma sekushoda ingubo yekubeka ngetulu kwaloyo yindlu lesimhambisa ngayo loyo losashile emhlabeni. You can contact us on different platforms. Which one are you preferring? If unelicingo endlini noma unelicingo emsebenzini ungasishayela enombolweni yamahala lesi 81010, ungasishayela futhi enombolweni yasehhovisi lesi 2508 6000. Ungaphinde usithinze ecingweni elihlala ekhikhini WhatsApp 7808 8050. We will be able to assist you. We have a contact center yethu labakhona ukuthi bakuside nangabe kwendekile mhlambe sewunedinkinga noma ufuna ukuva. We have our contact center that is available to assist you in any matter that you may be facing. United Life Assurance understands very well ukuthi inyama emaswati ayayithanza ngekosi lethele benefits le cow benefits or grocery benefits, so that you can be able to make sure ukuthi siyakhona ku-afforda ukuthi bonke mufu abe adlile labo labasitile bafukamile ekhaya are able to get loko kudla basasitha sisalusisela emalungiselelo. Maningi ama-products that United Life Assurance has that you can benefit from. Mr. Lovemore is still going to come back to tell us more. Kunabo family support, kunabo tribute plan, kunabo home link funeral plan. There's quite a number of products that you can access from United Life Assurance. So you do call us on 800-1010, our toll-free line, to get assisted. Of course, we are definitely going to have our competition for the week. I'm not sure, Mr. Lovemore, do you want to give us a question that we can ask for the competition? No man,
Thank you, Gosi. Well, I also feel like giving something away. We've been speaking a lot today. Maybe the question for the day will be, to what cover level do I have to upgrade to for me to unlock the benefit of a cow or a grocery benefit? What is the minimum cover level that I have to upgrade to unlock at this world of unlimited benefit that is experienced by whether you take this 10,000 cover for a cow or grocery benefit?
Wow, I know you are very generous men. That gift is definitely going to be worth me answering. Lele Kaya, we have our question for the week for our weekly competition. To what level of cover, to what minimum level of cover should you upgrade to for you to access the additional benefits of a cow or grocery? So you can respond down on the comment section, or you can respond on the official question post. Yeah, on the official post for the competition. So it's up to you. You can put your comments down on the comment section or comment on the official post for the competition. Thank you for joining us, and I wish you well as you are going to participate in the competition. But before we leave, just to encourage everyone to stay safe. COVID-19 is there and it's doing the worst that you can actually think of. So stay safe, make sure that you keep your family safe, sanitize, wear your mask, do not try to limit gatherings. I'm not going to say do not go to gatherings, because gatherings are there for all of us, but try to limit gatherings of where there are a lot of people to limit your exposure. So do keep safe. Do contact us should you need any clarifications on anything that we've discussed today. Our toll-free number is 800-1010. Until next week, Mr. Pere, thank you for joining us. It's so unfortunate that you couldn't join us today because of the technical challenges that you've been facing, but definitely we thank you that you joined us on Facebook. And I'm not sure that answer is correct that you have put there. I'm not going to mention it because someone might copy it and put it in just in case it's correct and then copy. So do comment, do post your comments, post your answers down in the comment section below. And we'll see you next week, same time, same place. And we hope you'll be ready.
Thank you, guys. Bye.